Hi! Welcome to September's unboxing video. Are you excited to put together this month's very spooky kit? I know I am. Before we dive in, I want to tell you about a fun new tool from Stampin' Up! That is absolutely perfect for a Paper Pumpkin subscriber like you. It's the Take Your Pick tool. If you open your Spooky September kit, you will see we have given you a flyer to tell you a little bit about this versatile tool. This tool is meant to help make crafting a little easier with a sticky putty end that lets you pick up smaller elements with ease, and a second end with an interchangeable tip for even more pickup possibilities. You can find this tool on page 30 of your new holiday catalog or by visiting stampinup.com/takeyourpick. We put the link in the description to make it easy. To show you just how handy this tool is for putting Paper Pumpkin projects together, I'm going to use it as I go through this month's unboxing video and put the kit together. So stay tuned to see the Take Your Pick tool in action and then order one today.